Good morning, Year 5. Welcome to your first topic lesson on our new topic of Italy. So today what we're learning to do is to locate Italy on a map. Now, first things first, what I'd like you to do is to write down everything you know about Italy in this box here on your worksheet. That could be famous people from there, football teams, rugby teams, food, cities, what money they use, anything you can. So do me a favour, pause the video now and fill in this sheet on your worksheet with everything you know about Italy already. Go. Okay, brilliant. So I've done the same over here. I'm sure you've got more than I have though. So I've got pizza. I love pizza. Spaghetti. They drive on the right side of the road. Julius Caesar, green, white and red flag. And it's where the Romans came from. So if I've got anything over here that you haven't got, maybe you could include it in your little box over here. Okay, so here is a map of the world, and just like when we did our Spanish topic, I would like you to show me which continent you think that Italy might be in. So you can colour this in on your sheet over here, or you can circle it. Show me where you think Italy is. Do that now. Okay, so well done. I'm sure you will realise that Italy is in fact in Europe. Now, the next part, we've now zoomed in on Europe. This is the European continent here. What I'd like you to do now is see if you can spot Italy. A little clue that I've given you here is that it is shaped like a high-heeled boot. So pause the video now, see if you can find it. Once you've found it, colour it in or circle it on your worksheet, which is just there. Off you go. Okay, brilliant. So, in our topic for Spain, what we did was we compared lots of different aspects of Spain to the United Kingdom. And it was a really, really nice way to sort of draw out the similarities and the contrast between the two countries. Now, what I've done is I've included a table here, and you are going to use KidRex to research these facts here for Italy. And we're going to use it to sort of compare the facts that we had for Spain and for the United Kingdom to Italy, or England, I should say. So on your worksheet here, you'll see that I've already filled in Spain for you. I've already done England for you. What I would like you to do now is using KidRex, fill in all of this stuff here for Italy. Okay, now that might take a while, but just take your time. The longer you take, the better your work will be. So off you go. Okay, so hopefully you guys have all got a full table full of Spanish facts, English facts, and Italy facts. Don't forget to do the flag as well at the bottom. What I would like you to do now is, using the table of information you've just made, I'd like you to write a paragraph comparing Italy to England. Okay? You could even include some similarities with Spain. So I've done you a little example. Italy is hotter than England because, like Spain, it lies closer to the equator. Okay, so there's my example. I've compared Italy to England, but I've used Spain as a little sort of similarity as well there. So you can just do that there on your sheet. Now, if that's not enough room, you can just get a piece of paper and write it very, very neatly there. Okay, well, I hope you've enjoyed the lesson, guys. I really look forward to seeing all the work you've done. Don't forget to send it in on Portfolio on Dojo. Okay, thank you, guys. Well done. Cheerio.